So NUTRAHARMONY has becoming one of my favorite brands for my hair. As you can see, I have super long hair. I don't think I've gotten a haircut in like 2 years, but my hair has been staying healthy and super shiny, even though I do have a frizz. So that's what you're seeing. Or I do have a wave. So that's what you're seeing, a little bit of wave in my hair. I haven't put any oil in my hair. I haven't put any leave-in conditioner. I've just been using this hydrating hair mask that I was super impressed with it, because normally sometimes I find with hair masks that I need to still use a conditioner after I've used a hydrating hair mask, but this I didn't. It truly didn't take a lot, and even I could feel it once I'm brushing my hair that my fingers were just able to slip through it, even in the showers and washing it out, that it made my hair that soft. This uses some great ingredients. This uses keratin, which will strengthen, smooth your hair, and add some volume, which, as you can see, I have a lot of volume. All I did was air dry my hair, and this is how it looked. Super impressed. This also has a wheat protein, which conditions, strengthens any damaged hair or split ends. And because I haven't had a haircut in 2 years, I definitely do have some split ends, but I'm not seeing any today. It has some coconut oil, which deeply hydrates your hair and conditions, protects it for any damage. Argan oil, which restores hair strength and reduces protein loss. And I am a conditioner addict. That's the one thing I always seem to go through in my like hair care routine is conditioner. But this, as you can see, that my hair is looking fantastic. It's super strong and it's super full, lots of volume, everything you want in a hair conditioner. That it's truly different than any other hair mask on the market. As you can see, it's not just like a thick conditioner, which some are. This actually has some really great ingredients and also a great smell that you can actually smell like throughout the day. My hair just smelled amazing. So if you're looking for a hair conditioner, this is definitely one you need to try.